Hello everyone, my name is John Anderson Ceron. I spell my name John Anderson. This is my house. There is a door of white and a plant. Inside my house, there is the living room. There is a dining room with some books, a laptop. There are 6 chairs. There is a plant on a drawer and a big windows. There are 2 curtains. There is a sofa with 3 cushions. This is my kitchen. It's not very big. Mm, There is a fridge and cabinets. There is a coffee maker, a blender. There is a microwave. This is my place study. There is a chair. There is a desk, a computer. There is a printer. There is my mini component and some books. This is my daughter room. There is a nice curtain. There is a nice table and light. There are 2 paintings and a hat and a bed. There is a bathroom with its toilet. There is a sink, also a mirror and a shower. There is a TV. There is a bed. There are 3 pairs of shoes. There is a table next to the white clock. From the windows, I have this view. Thank you very much.